It's Abby again. I'm back with another new recipe. I want to make meatballs. I have grounded meat here, that is half kg. I have breadcrumbs, onions, pili pili. I have vinegar, 2 tablespoons, soy sauce. I have garam masala, black pepper, and paprika and turmeric, an egg, coriander leaves, rosemary leaves, cumin seeds, grated ginger and garlic, 3 bulb, salt. Now I will just go straight and start preparing them. Cut my onions into small pieces and my dania. Thank you for subscribing. And for those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to Service Treats. Well, I will start by cutting my onions into small pieces. It has to be finely diced. If you cut it into big pieces or chunk, it will not mix well with our meatballs, and it will also give a hectic time while molding it. Actually, onions tends not to bind so well, so you just have to cut not so many of it, though it tastes so nice. Once I'm done cutting my onions, I will transfer it in a bowl since my cutting board is not that big, and I will go ahead and slice other. You can as well blend yours together and marinate. Guys, when did you learn that meatballs can be made at home? For me, it's not been long. It's less than 4 years when I learned I can as well make it at home, and I tried it and I enjoyed it. I used to see them in restaurant, eat them in restaurant, or buy them in the supermarket. Kumbe, it's just a simple recipe anybody can grab. So after this video, if you didn't know, now you know, and go and try it. I will go ahead and slice my coriander. It's well sliced, finely sliced. And my chili pepper too. Now I will transfer my grounded meat and go ahead and put all the ingredients and mix it well. I always like to add my onions at the end, and I will add it little by little because I don't want to end up with breaking balls. It's advisable to do it that way because at times you may assume your onions are enough. Kumbe it's too much for the meat. So you just give it a good mix. Now I will add my breadcrumbs and I will go in with my hands to mix it well. I will mix it well with my hands until I feel it's well combined. The meat should mix well with the ingredients. By the way, eggs and breadcrumbs helps in binding the meat together. Like you've seen, mine is ready. I go ahead and spray a little oil in my palm. The oil will help the meat not to stick in my hands. So I will roll them into small balls and drop it in the frying basket. I'm using air fryer. You can as well use a pan. You fry it in a medium heat and don't deep fry. It's a shallow fry with a little oil. I'll go ahead with the molding. You see it's doing well and no meat is sticking on my hand too. I will set my air fryer into 180 degree and I'll set the timer for 20 minutes. I don't know, for those who don't eat eggs, how we can help them. I don't know the substitute for eggs anyway. If you know, kindly let me know. I can help others. Because the eggs and breadcrumbs is very important. Now my time has not elapsed, but I have to check them. It's not done yet. It's not well done, but it started browning. So I'll just flip some a bit. You can see it's not well done. And I will take it back for 5 minutes. Wow, it's well done now. The meat has browned so well. I will remove them and I will go ahead with other pieces that were left. Look at it, it's well browned and well cooked inside. At that point, you can as well just snack it. I will repeat the same process. My timer Now my end product, that is the meat. It's lovely, brown in color and yummy. And the aroma here is heavenly. Now it's time to make sauce for this our meatballs. I have the ingredients there. I'll go ahead and add my blended tomatoes into a sufuria with oil. By the way, I blended tomato, garlic and chili plus onions all together. Then I'll add my tomato paste. In this sauce, we're just looking for gravy to coat the meatballs. It's not much work. So you just stir it and leave it to simmer. I'll add my tomato sauce. The tomato sauce has some sugar, and sugar is good in activating the acid in tomato. So I didn't want to add sugar here. Instead, I added the tomato sauce. If I didn't have the tomato sauce, I would have added a little bit of sugar to activate the acid in tomato. So I'll let it to simmer for some time. Now those are the ones I want to cook. I will go ahead and mix my corn flour with water and add it in my sauce. Corn flour helps in thickening the soup or sauce. As you can see, it's already thick. So at this point, I will set my flame into low because we're just dipping in our already cooked beef meatballs. And it will just coat a little. It will stay here for 10 minutes, then served. Make sure you coat them well with the sauce. I will go ahead and cover it and let it simmer for 10 minutes. As I wait for my meatball to simmer, I will go ahead and prepare my vegetables. I love serving my vegetables along with the meatballs. Here I have margarine and I'm adding in my crushed garlic. My vegetables was blanched. Like I always said, I love my vegetables crunchy, so it will not cook. I will just saute for 4 minutes. I'll add salt, stir it a little as my meatballs is simmering on the other burner, you can see. So by the time they will be done at the same time and will be served hot along with chapati. You can serve yours with pastas, anything of your choice, rice, or even if you like ugali. My meatballs are ready, garnished with coriander and vegetables are also well done, nice color. Thank you guys for staying here and watching my video until the end. This is our end product and we enjoyed it. It's a lovely, appetizing. See you in my next video. Thank you.